Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to use Apple Fitness Plus audio hints on iPhone and iPad. Apple Fitness Plus supports a new accessibility feature developed by Apple called Audio Hints, which provides verbal cues in addition to those given by trainers for the benefit of blind and low vision users. Let me show you how to enable and use Apple Fitness Plus Audio Hints on iOS and iPadOS device the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, open the Fitness app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap the Fitness Plus tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select the workout you want to follow. Then tap the Let's Go or Let's Begin button. Then tap the Metrics Editor button. And after that, toggle on the switch next to Audio Hints and you are good to go. It's worth pointing out that as part of an ongoing effort to make fitness more accessible to all, Audio Hints provides short, descriptive verbal cues to support users who are blind or low vision. The feature clarifies the trainer's spoken instructions by adding synthesized audio cues to parts of a workout that are only visually demonstrated. Audio hints are included for things like the start and end of a workout, equipment adjustments, changes in body position, and exercise modifications. If you have VoiceOver turned on when you begin a workout, audio hints will be automatically enabled. Otherwise, you can turn them on by following the same steps. It's also important to note that you can use the same menu screen to adjust the speed of audio cues to help you move at your own pace. Besides, you can also turn audio hints on and off during the workout. Simply tap the screen and then tap the Metrics Editor button at the end of the playback bar and you are pretty much done. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can enable and use Apple Fitness Plus audio hints on your iOS or iPadOS device. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad hacks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.